All right, LA2 lights by Colight. Really nicely packed. Good weight on them. Those are spots, those are floodlights. I guess that's the bracket. The full harness with the light and the bracket to hold it. Looks really nice, actually. I'm gonna put it on the Norden. Mount it probably under, looking down. Yeah, already freed up the location to get into the battery. Let's do it. So usually I like to start with, just check that everything is working. The connections look really nice. They have this water sealed rubbers in it, very smooth, very clean. I like it. It seems like it comes with two options. This is gonna make the throbbing light if you connect it to the horn. I'm not sure I'm gonna do it, I'll figure it out. And this is, I guess, if you wanted to turn on and off by the switch, or if you turn off the switch you want it off. I might gonna use that, but in the meantime I just want to check like plus minus and see if that works so I can do it. Let's see. Okay, goes all the way on. Just shove it in like this. Okay. All right, correction. This one have to be connected either to the starter or the switch or direct to the battery, because when I do that, they are working. The light is pretty good. It seems pretty good. I don't know. Disconnected. Let's see how the throbbing thing. Okay. Okay. Woo! Party. Okay. Sweet. All right. It does not come with a clamp, but it is temporary with those just until I'm gonna get something. The way I did it, I ran it through the plastic here. There's like a bunch of cords that going into the tank here. So it's coming through here, going down. I pull it out right here next to the fan, and then I connected there's a switch right here on the back. There's another switch in here, but I didn't want to mess with that. There's another switch one that comes here. I'm running it, I'm gonna organize it. And then I took one from here going down, from here, and then I moved it up to here and connected them and tuck it. And then I'm gonna do like zip ties and everything, and I'm gonna do the other side. So I do it in one shot. So I'm taking this, bringing it up to here, and pulling that plastic up. I didn't unscrew anything. I just want to start sliding it in as much as I can. Let's see if I can find it here. Yep, I feel it. It's right here on my hand. Perfect. Now I'm gonna slide the other one through here. For this, I'm using like a long one and tie the edge, and then I'm just sliding it like this, and it comes. All right. I should be able to pull it. Let's see. I passed it. It wasn't that easy, but it's a tight little spot in there. Now let's get the other piece and see if I can connect them. Beautiful. Now pull this up like this, nice and tucked. All right. So I think I'm going to install it here, just like that. 4 screws getting in here.
else you may think of. A lot of our people.
All right, everything ran through. If you start it, it's off, nothing works. Start the light. Then it's on, off, on, and then get the flashing going and the other flashing. We'll check it later at nighttime. Yep, looking good.
So you can't see much of like this because there's like some light. The bike lights are on, well, because there's like a lot of like street light. But this is the main light. This is the highlight. This is with the fog lights. Well, wait after this light to start the big lights. Let's see. I put it right here. So let's start it. So those are the big lights. I think they're like all leading to the left. I need to like readjust them. It's hard to see the different, like the big difference, because it's not like dark enough. But I'm sure I'm like blinding everybody else. Let's turn it off. I think it's shooting pretty high too. I will need to find a place that is really, really dark to do this. So I'll try to find another place to do that. But in the meantime, that's what you get. So I'll try to do it here again. Let's see. You can see it's brighter. I'm still thinking my lights are still leaning a little to the right, but it's not too bad. I think it's not too bad. Turn off. This is like the main light and the fog light. This is with the lights on. It's an improvement. I wouldn't say it's like an insane improvement, but it for sure makes our life a little easier. And I'm thinking, after I'm gonna focus the you know, the main spots to hit the main like road and not go a little up or to the side. I think it's gonna be a little better, but I think you can see a pretty decent difference between this and that. Yeah, definitely. It's also like creating like a good like wide beam that you can see on the side, so not too bad.